What's up everyone, this is Ken. I'm back with another video. I wanted to do a follow-up video on a FSD Beta roundabout video that I did do on version 10.2. Now I'm on version 10.8.1 and I wanted to see if there were any improvements. I actually do not think it's going to be that much improvement because I haven't had a good experience with it on as the versions have went on. There's a twist. I wanted to change it up a little bit, put this in the sky, and basically see a different perspective for myself and for you all as well. So if you like this video, hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you see fit. I'll see you at the roundabout. Ha! Alright, so we're headed there. Have the drone in the air right now, looking down on us. I'm gonna try to sync this as best as I can. See ourselves coming up a little bit. We're gonna test this baby out. We're just gonna go around, not all the way around this time, the first time. It's very aggressive. Okay. I angle it down a little bit better to get a better shot here.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
See if we can do a whole 360. Well, 360 or not. I might show you both ways. See, I don't know which lane it want to pick. And this time what I'll do, I'll zoom it in a little bit more and see how it does. And then we'll be done and we'll land it and see what's going on. I'll make it a little bit slower this time, maybe around 20 miles per hour. There's no cars coming. Picked a good time to do it. So that wasn't bad at all. It's the complete turns. If you go all the way around the roundabout, that's what really gets it done. So definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also hit that notification bell, as it will let you know when I do post new videos. This is YouTubeKeN. I'll see you in the next video.